Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie, places famous for gold mines, are located in answer A. Australia. Tadoba National Park, known for sheltering tiger, panther, and bear, is located in answer B. Chandrapur, Maharashtra. In geography, who propounded the theory of convectional current hypothesis? Answer A. Arthur Holmes. Apatenis are the tribes found in answer D. Arunachal Pradesh. Genoa is leading seaport of answer C. Italy. The year dash is called a great divide in the demographic history of India. Answer B. 1921. Villandra Lake region, a UNESCO heritage site, is located in answer B. Australia. The only private sector refinery set up by Reliance Petroleum Limited is located at answer B. Jamnagar. The only state in India that produces saffron is answer C. Jammu and Kashmir. The headquarters of International Astronomical Union IAU is located in answer D. Paris, France. With which country in the year 2010 did India propose to develop a solar city in India? Answer A. Japan. The Barak River is a famous river of answer D. Manipur Hills. The headquarters of Northwestern Railway is located in answer D. Jaipur. Three important rivers of the Indian subcontinent have their sources near the Mansoor Lake in the Great Himalayas. These rivers are answer C. Brahmaputra, Indus and Sutlej. The zonal soil type of peninsular India belongs to answer A. Red soils. The largest river of all the west flowing rivers of the peninsular India is answer D. Narmada. Between the valley of Narmada river in the north and the Tapti in the south lies answer A. The Satpura range. Scunthorpe and Frodingham are answer A. The main mining centers of Britain. First metro railway was inaugurated in Kolkata. Answer C. 1984. India's first stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, was established in answer A. 1875. Umeem Multipurpose Power Project is located in answer B. Meghalaya. The world's largest producer of natural gas is answer C. Russia. Xinhua is the official news agency of answer B. China. The index which refers to moisture deficit or surplus in an area is called answer A. Moisture index. The study of plant communicates in relation to their habitats of a given ecosystem is known as answer B. Synecology. The instrument which measures The intensity of solar radiation is called answer C. Solarimeter. Any wind blowing down the slope of a mountain is called answer B. Katabatic wind. The zone of low atmospheric pressure and ascending air located at or near the equator is called answer A. Intertropical Convergence Zone ITCZ. Indian state known as Garden Spice is answer C. Kerala. Rajiv Gandhi Environment Award is given for outstanding contribution to answer D. Contribution to the development of neat technology. Sandstone, conglomerate, limestone, shell potash, loess, geyserite, chalk, coal, chert, halite are the example of answer C. Sedimentary rocks. The second most important agro-based industry of India after textiles is answer D. Sugar industry. As per 2011 census of India, the state which registered lowest sex ratio female per thousand males is answer B. Haryana. Cells are dense tropical rainforests of answer A. South America. Seasonal movement of people and their herds from valley to mountain and vice versa is known as answer B. Transhumance. The industrial region of India, which has the predominance of metal industries, is answer B. Chota Nagpur region. The mean thickness of oceanic crust and continental crust is around answer C. 5 km and 30 km respectively. Mahe and Janam are the parts of the Union Territory of answer D. Puducherry. The most important breed of wool producing sheep in the world is answer B. Merino. Saar is a famous field in answer D. Germany. The place city located at the confluence of river Euphrates and Tigris is answer D. Baghdad. Which of the rock formations in India is the richest in fossil content? Answer C. Gondwana. India's first marine national park is located in answer A. The Gulf of Mannar. Singareni Coalfields is located in answer C. Godavari Valley. Pochampat irrigation project lies on answer B. Godavari. Which planet is known as sister of Earth? Answer B. Venus. The study of universe is called answer C. Cosmology. The large natural ecosystem comprised of abiotic land, air, water and soils of the concerned habitat and biotic plants, animal and microorganism is called answer C. Bio. Tilhaya Dam, Konhar Dam, Mithon Dam and Panchi Hill Dam have been constructed under answer B. The Damodar Valley Project. Titagarh, Amli, and Nipanagar are known for? Answer D. Paper industry. The highest glacial lake of India located at the height of 17,745 feet in Garhwal, Himalaya is? Answer A. Devtal. Project Tiger, one of the premier conservation efforts in the country, was launched on? Answer D. 1st April 1973. Tungabhadra Multi-Purpose Project is a joint undertaking of? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In 1990, India ratified the World Heritage Convention of 1977, identifying four national sites of outstanding universal value, namely? Answer A. All of these. At present, biosphere reserves that are included in World Heritage. Answer D. Above all. The radiation energy received by the Earth and its atmosphere from the Sun is called? Answer A. Insolation. The layer of ocean water between the depth zone of 300 meter to 1000 meter characterized by sharp charge of temperature in the vertical section of seawater is called? Answer D. Thermocline. A group of populations of different species living in the same habitat and interacting with one another is called? Answer A. Ecological community. Sandstone, conglomerate, limestone, shale, chalk, and coal are examples of? Answer B. Sedimentary rocks. Dr. Vladimir Koppen, the great climatologist of Australia, suggests in his new scheme of climatic classification? Answer C. Five major types of climate. The modern iron and steel industry in India had its beginning in 1870 when Bengal Iron Works Company was established in? Answer A. Kulti. The planet which has maximum number of satellites is? Answer C. Jupiter. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? Answer C. Kosi River. Golden Quadrilateral comprising national highways connects? Answer B. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Delhi. The diesel locomotive works engaged in producing diesel locos is located in? Answer A. Varanasi. The mountain system of Alps, Carpathian, Transylvanian, Balkans are located in? Answer C. Europe. The Chambal Valley project is a joint venture of? Answer C. Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The largest satellite in the solar system is? Answer B. Ganymede. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is located in? Answer D. Tamil Nadu. The line at which a day is lost or gained is called? Answer D. International Date Line. The study of moon is called? Answer B. Selenology. The portion of incident radiation energy without heating that surface reflected back from a surface of a body is called? Answer C. Albedo. The largest port of India is? Answer C. Mumbai Port. Dulhasti project and Silal project are located at answer A. River Chenab. The vernal equinox occurs on answer B. 21st March. The autumnal equinox occurs on answer B. 23rd September. Indira Gandhi Zoological Park is located in answer C. Vishakhapatnam. The predominant gases that constitute the sun are answer A. Hydrogen and helium. Madumalai Sanctuary is located in answer B. Tamil Nadu. Exfoliation is a type of answer C. Physical weathering. World Water Day is observed on answer B. 22 March. The largest state of India area-wise is answer D. Rajasthan. Hyderabad in Telangana is located on the bank answer D. Musi River. The largest India mammals is answer D. Elephant. The Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education ICFRE were created in answer B. 1987. The inner planets include answer D. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The mean thickness of oceanic crust is 5 km. The first large-scale modern machine tool factory set up in public sector is answer A. 1953. The first shore-based steel plant in India is answer D. Vishakhapatnam Steel Plant VSP. The river Kaveri rises on the western edges of answer B. The Western Ghats. Primary producers fall in two categories, e.g. answer D. Phototrophs and chemotrophs. The Naharkatia oil field is located in answer C. Assam. The largest mangrove forest in the world is located in answer B. West Bengal. The water body separating Andaman and Nicobar is known as answer C. 10-degree channel. Sun's rays can make right angle only up to 23 1/2 and south latitudes because answer D. Earth is inclined at an angle of 66 1/2 on its axis. Which industry is developed in Sadol and Nepanagar? Answer A. Paper and pulp industry. The Richter scale on which intensity magnitude of a quake is measured was developed in answer C. 1935. Maasai tribes are found in answer D. East Africa. The law which states that wavelength of maximum radiation is inversely proportional to the absolute of the emitting body is known as answer A. Wien's displacement law.